friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Craft with Five. This is a challenge put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Each month, she gives us 5 prompts. Then on the 21st, we bring you a video using those 5 prompts in a craft project. And you can join along with us. Bourbon Creek Crafts posted the entire list on her YouTube channel. I may or may not be that organized. It's not probably likely. Let me tell you the 5 things for this month, if I can remember. Silver or gray, image stamp, punches, snowflake, and blue. Uh-oh, I have an ant. That seems bad. If you've ever heard that ant story, it's not good. This is the ant place. Anyway, easy for me, right? It's like she made it for me. I couldn't find a punch. I thought maybe once upon a time I had a snowflake border punch. I'm still not convinced that I don't. It might just be somewhere really safe with my holiday stuff, but I went through and didn't find it. And then these were dies. So for punches, I used this one. It is not necessarily holiday. It works for all sorts of things. Keep in mind, I love versatile tools. They don't take up so much room. This is great for birthday. It's great for anything. So I used it here. I also used my Hero Arts white pigment ink stamp pad, which I very seldom use, but I used it to color in here and then put clear embossing on. I used paintbrushes and Q-tips and a couple different things. And then I used colored pencils to add a touch of color. I should have colored before I started doing any embossing because I made it so you couldn't put colored pencils on it in some areas, you know, because my embossing didn't turn out perfectly. So I should have colored first, and then I could have put clear over just the whole thing and covered it all up. Red, yellow, orange here. I put the white unicorn ink on the puff ball, matted it with white. And I don't know if you can tell, but I did use the Nuvo Aqua Shimmer on the background. So around the snowman, there's a little bit of sparkle there. And then he's, you know, fully embossed and smooth and shiny and fun. Then Warm Wishes, I embossed in white. The snowman is from Hot Off the Press, a cute little tiny set that I probably got at a craft warehouse sale. And the Warm Wishes is from a Cartabella stamp set. I don't know what it's called. It says on the back usually. Frost and Ice stamp set. This one has Warmest Holiday Wishes with a cute little star, but holidays are kind of over at this point, so I went with Warm Wishes. Mix and match your stamp sets. If you get a stamp set and you use the exact sentiments here, your cards are going to look more like other people's. There's no rules. You've seen me. I'll even chop them up. I do crazy things. So I put Amy's name across the top with these white die cuts so that it pops with the white here. And then I have snowflakes in 3 different colors glued on. You may only be able to see the ones that I put in the punch outs, but there's a bunch more. I think it just turned out super cute. Oh, and the punch outs, remember, this was a self-adhesive shimmer paper, and those punch outs are stickers. So if you need to make your own stickers, grab a hole punch in your set. So that is my card for Amy for this month. I also wanted to show you when I made my gratitude video, which if you haven't seen that, oh my gosh, I almost cried, but I kept it together. This is the card that Vicky sent me, and it is stunning. So it says hello on the front, and she's got cute little embellishments, and she's got them layered up. Can you tell? It looks to me like she put the tiny one inside the little flower. Oh my gosh, they're just cute. To a friend that makes me smile. And she said, I do make her smile. So, oh my gosh, just so cute. Thank you so much, Vicky. I'm pretty sure you're getting a card from my mom too. She spent all day Saturday going through that box and laying out outfits and talking about how amazing you are. And she just said she was going to come by and pick up the box. You know how that goes, right? Anyway, we had fun. It was amazing. Be sure to use the playlist link down below in the description box. You can check out the other videos in Craft with Five. and see what people came up with. It's always fun to see this, and it doesn't have to be cards. Mine probably will be cards because, as I mentioned before, I kind of settled into this rhythm of making them for Amy. The other thing is Amy's cards typically go in a box, so I finally realized I can get a little more chunky with my embellishments. Like I could use those wood things I never use and stuff like that. You know what it needed? Just a little touch of snow in there. The sparkle is very faint, so I took this Arteza gel pen 0.6 white. Tony sent me this. She was excited about these. They come in 3 sizes. She sent me this. I just picked this up off the counter. Probably haven't used it in months, and it worked just fine. So that says a lot about a white gel pen. They all work when you get them, but will they work next time? Just added a little something. I think that makes it even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write comments in the description down below. It always helps the video and makes it more popular if you give it a thumbs up or write it comments. Take great care of yourselves, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.